And now to go with coffee today, we are going to do the Ever blue and white box Jiffy cornbread, but my twist is green tomato cornbread because I don't have the energy or the size of the tomatoes that I would desire to use fried green tomatoes, and I need fried green tomatoes. Ouch. Okay, so we've got 1/3 of a cup. I'm going to make a number of batches. I'm going to try in the waffle maker, extra crispy on the outside, puffy on the inside. And then I'm also going to try this corncob cornbread stick mold that I use every Thanksgiving. So let's get into it. 1/3 of a cup almond milk, an egg, straight, nothing fancy about that egg. Teaspoon of minced onion, sweated, just a little caramelization. So I'm going to mix this all up and I'm start the waffle, which is behind us, or behind you. So we'll be back with the waffle reveal, and then we'll make some corn sticks. Back soon. Hey, so back. So I blended the blue box cornbread mix with the egg, almond milk, and the tomatoes and a little bit of onion. So it took on a greenish tinge, which is kind of cool. I kind of like it. And we're gonna nestle. We're gonna nestle some halved greens straight in for a bite of tart and juiciness. And these are the cornbread sticks, the ear corn molds. This is so pretty. But it's just going to be golden and delicious. And then am I going to put in honey, butter, agave butter, whatever I've got, maple butter, plant-based butter. We're using shifted primarily to plant-based dairy, but not all of it. And that's me, because the rest of the house refuse to be healthy because of their own issues. Oh, sloppy D-Day. Sloppy baby. Alright, there we go. Beautiful for Martha. Beautiful for Martha. So this is batch 1 of cornbread sticks going in. And those are going into a GoWise air fryer, which the link is down below. Use it, support my remodel, like and subscribe if you like these kind of videos. I'll be doing what I cook every day. Alright, now out of the waffle maker came out very thin, crispy. I don't think it's quite cracked. Same mix without the chunks. Let's crack it. Not quite a crack. It has the hint of green tomato in just the batter. I think I'm going to try a thicker one with nestled, quote unquote. But this is yum and fun. A little healthier than a fried green tomato, but fun too. Ciao for now. Be back soon. Alright, finishing up the tomatoes right now. Can't hold a knife properly. This is proper. You hold it close to where the tine meets the blade part. I can't do it because I have no control. You're supposed to have greater control, but I just don't. I need to be pointy. It's the only knife I'm using also, because the rest of them are unsharp, and a dull knife is more dangerous with slippage. Alright, so wipe up the seeds. Alright, so this is green tomatoes, green blue box cornbread muffin mix. It even says vegetarian, which that surprised me. But then you add the egg and dairy. I used almond milk this time. So the mix itself, the blue mix, is vegetarian, or at least the one I found. I don't know. So we'll be back with a puffier wiffle waffle, green tomato cornbread waffle, and we will be back with the cornbread sticks. Wait for it. Big reveal. This is a microwave bacon cooker that actually works. Crispy bacon. Yum. Alrighty. Now I'm taking some of this bacon grease for my green tomato apple bacon jam. So this is, I wrote it down. It is half a cup of green tomato cut up. It is a quarter cup of apple sauce. This is applesauce that I made. 1 teaspoon of bacon grease, because we want the bacon flavor and we don't want to have to add salt. Alright, next we are gonna do some cracked pepper. Oh, when do I have at hand? I have this generic 4 grinds. Alright, and I'm gonna throw this in the microwave with a cover for 2 minutes. We'll be back for assemblage of our feast of green tomato. Now we are done preparing this delicious sandwich bite. It's a green tomato cornbread BLT. Here we have a green tomato bacon apple jam or chutney. Tastes more chutney like, but it's a jam because we're not fancy like that. Got some shaped lettuce, meaning shape the size of the Sammy. And reaching across you, grabbing a piece of bacon. More chutney, 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 jam, jam, it's jam. Yum. Looks like salsa verde, but it is tangy and savory. There we go. And one more to assemblage. You can see the green color inside the cornbread from the green tomato that we added before cooking. So yeah, let's move that to the side. Bring these up. And the piece de resistance. A little fiddly getting out. Trying not to put my finger through one. By showing you the tomatoes we nestled, I love that word, you don't see the corn cob effect. So I'll show you both. Oh, yum. These have to go through a, we have a broken corny. That was always chef treat. And there we go. Perfection. Nobody knows. Nobody knows it. Do I have toothpicks? I don't think I have any fancy toothpicks. Blink. Blink. There we go. Okay. Wow. Yum. This looks delicious. Yum-mo. All from a little blue box. Let the daylight embrace.